Hi there. So welcome to your Culminating lab for AP Chemistry Semester 1. Okay, so what you're going to do today is you're going to take acetic acid, also known as hydrogen acetate, also known as very concentrated vinegar. This is 6 molar. And you're going to react it with baking soda, common household substance, also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now, you've probably seen this reaction before. This is the one that you make volcanoes out of and things like that when you're in middle school. We're going to use it for a different purpose, but it's a very similar thing. Okay, so I'm going to start by getting 50 milliliters approximately of my acid. And we'll get a nice close-up for you so that you can see the exact measurement. And I'm going to put that into the flask that we're going to use as our reaction vessel. Okay. And then we're going to get some of our baking soda. My son Holland is going to be my assistant today because I need an extra set of hands. Doesn't actually matter if we lose it right now because we're going to figure out the mass later. Make a big mess right now, it's okay.
It doesn't stretch.
There we go. A little bit more. Make a really big balloon. Make a mess. Okay. Okay. That flask, or that balloon, goes over the mouth of this flask. Okay, and go ahead and start the reaction. And you can see the production of the gas. You will write the balanced equation for this reaction. The gas we're producing here is carbon dioxide. And it's rising up and filling up our balloon. So, in a minute, when this is completely done, we're going to use this 2-liter bottle to figure out the volume of the balloon. Okay, so Holland, if you would flip that over into the, there we go, and I'll get the funnel in it. Okay, hold that there for a minute. And our reaction is basically done here. Give it a little bit more of a swirl. Make sure all those bubbles stop. You'll get a good close-up so that you can see what's in the flask. Now, what I'm going to attempt to do is to take this balloon off without losing any of the gas. And I'm going to try to transfer it into this 2-liter bottle, slowly and carefully. Alright, I'll take the funnel, hon, if you will get the bottle back out. Okay, so now we have our gas in here, and the key thing that we need to know is how much space it takes up, or in other words, what volume is it. So we're going to refill the bottle. Alright, get a nice close-up on that. And this may take us 2 attempts, because if that's a 2-liter bottle, we're just shy of a liter. All right, that entire volume that you just saw was used. I'm going to start another graduated cylinder here. Another really good reading on that. we'll fill it to the top. And get a final reading. So with that, you can figure out the volume of gas produced, and you can work backwards to figure out the actual mass of baking soda that I was able to get into the balloon to begin with. So you have some questions to finish up and a report to do. Good luck.